Welcome to Pathfinders trainings, guys. One more analysis session, and let's look at the market. And everybody was very excited that the market is going up, but eventually the fundamentals will catch up. Expensive market cannot sustain for long. Around here, the elections were announced somewhere around this level. And then there was a pre-election rally, which took the market to the previous highs. This is the previous highs of the market, where the price went a very high PE of about 29.5, the highest ever. The market has never been able to sustain a PE value about 28, and that's exactly what happened. It remained into this price for almost a month, stagnant, held by a few stocks, but eventually the rally fizzled out, and now we see the price is moving down, and for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days continuously, the price is going down. And if I look at the important levels of this market, so we see that it has already broken the 23% Fibonacci level, and a 38% level will bring it down to about 11,150. On the way up, it also left a gap, which might be a nearby target for this market, about 11,175, means about 100 points down from here. So if I look at Bank Nifty was very expensive. Let's look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty had a PE of almost 64, which is impossible to sustain. And now it has also started correcting. And don't be very surprised if you very soon see it on a 27,000 rupees level. So, and Bank Nifty had a breakout. Compared to the index, it was a much stronger index. More money flowed into this, and now it is correcting, and now going back to the previous level where the breakout happened, and below this it can just come back to a level of 27,000. So market becoming attractive to buy, but it is still an expensive market with a PE of about 27. A good level for investment is always around 20, 22 Ps for our market. So, 23rd is the result, the big event. How do you handle a market like this? Which is very volatile, which is going up, coming down. And yesterday I was doing live trading with my traders. Every Thursday for the whole day, I do live trading with my traders. And the kind of market that we were handling is this. Now, this is a very difficult market to handle. So this is the market I'm talking about, which is neither going up, neither going down. This is a volatile sideways market. And the only way this market can be handled is by using appropriate option strategies. Options are designed for these kinds of markets where you don't know where it is going, but accordingly you can design your strategies, take either directional neutral trades or directional trade where you can actually control your profit and your losses. Even this kind of a market, you can make money. That's exactly what I was doing today. So I booked some positions before I started this. Now here I have already booked a 20,000 rupees of a profit in this particular. See, there's only options I'm trading. Various option strategies is what I'm trading right now. I booked about 20,000 rupees of profit in this one, and rest is all planned according to a design. The way I have designed my strategies is, in case the market goes up, my loss would be minimum, and after some time I will not have any loss at all. And as the market will keep on going down, my profit will keep on increasing. So this is how the strategies have been designed. So let me book one more profit now. So I booked one more profit now, and now my overall profit into this trade is 22,911 rupees is my trade that I'm looking into this one. And this is a strategy that I have executed, and the market is not going down, it is going down, up, down, up. So what is happening is there are certain exit points that you can plan for, and whenever you have that exit point, then that particular market will give you a little more money here. So I will just go and I will now, this is one more option that I have written here. So I booked about 22,000 rupees in my option strategies, and most of these trades that I was taking were not directional trades. So a trader has to be equipped with all kind of scenarios, and he should have strategies with him that he can make money in all kind of scenarios. Before election, market is likely to be volatile, and that's what we are seeing. This is a weekly chart of the market, and if you see, this is very clear now. Market was expensive here also, sold off, and it's exactly the same that the market is doing. So before the election results comes, most of the FIIs who are net buyers in our markets in the last about 2 months, they are now booking their profits, and we see this could be a nearby level that you can see before elections if selling continues. Of course, this doesn't keep on going down. There would be a day when it will go up, but overall pressure is down. See, when you are at, what is the potential? When the market goes down, it gives you the most money. Always remember, in the downside. Now let's count a daily chart. So let's learn one thing here. Going from this level to this level, how much time did the market take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 days it took to come down. Coming down from this level to this level, 1, 2, 3, 4, and just 5 days it came down. Another thing, please note, it is very comfortably breaking this low. This was the support on the lower side. It is very comfortably broken it. And now this looks to be a nearby target for the market. And this could be a target that you can trade. 11,032 rupees level, because this is where there was a morning star pattern that was formed, which took the market up. There was a runaway gap that happened, and it was mostly the retail who was buying here, and the professionals have already started selling the market here. So take care. But the good news is, as the market will go down, it will give you a buying opportunities. So keep your money ready and learn the stock market. I always say, learn it properly. I trade every day with my traders, and the only way you can handle this market is by learning it. In this market, for one person to make money, another person has to lose money. Make sure you're the one who is making it, not losing it. Let's look at some of the big names. Reliance Industries. And Reliance, again, a very expensive stock. Now, everybody who was very fascinated with Jio, they forgot that Reliance has 3 lakh crore rupees of debt. That was the last figure I was reading. I hope that is correct. And look at the sell-off that has happened in Reliance. It went up and it took just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days for it to come down to 1,200 level. What is the correct valuation of this stock? I have told it again and again. This stock is not valued more than 600 to 700 rupees. When it comes to 600 rupees, I would think about buying it. But the best trades that you will find in the coming days in Reliance, as you are seeing, are the short trades. Let's look at HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, again, biggie that was holding the market, is still strong. And this bank has good profits. Out of all the banks, this is the best management and the best profit. So keep your money ready. When it goes down, you will find buying opportunities in this. Another expensive stock is TCS. Let's look at TCS. But TCS is falling down. In fact, a good price to buy TCS would be maybe if it comes around this levels, I would love to buy some TCS. But for the moment, TCS was a perfect example of a stock that was into a selling zone. And from there, profit booking has already started. Some other big names like Tata Steel. The way it has gone down, today in a single day, it has lost about 5%. So they don't take much time to lose money if they are expensive, guys. So let me take the last stock, from the pharma sector, Biocon. And you see, this is another expensive stock which has sold off, and from 630 rupees level, it has already come down to a 537. And this is a story that is there for most of the stocks here. So with option strategies, learn option strategies, you can control the market no matter where it goes, up, down, sideways, you can make money. Be very proficient in technical analysis so that you can read the charts and you can time your stocks for your entries and your exits, and make sure you learn fundamental analysis so you know that when the market will go down and correct, what are the stocks that you should buy for your portfolio. Great, guys, talking to you. So another week of analysis from the Pathfinders training. Next week, I will have one more video, and I hope before elections, you are ready, you are knowledgeable, you are learned, you are skilled, and after election results are out, no matter what government comes, you are skilled and equipped to start making money into the stock market. For any query, call the number that is down. They will help you out. And every Friday night, 9 to 11, I have an introductory session. If you want to know more about stock market, click on the link below and attend it. Thank you very much. And I hope all of you learn how to trade the stock market and make money into it.